Karl with Barb-Tech Tools. One of the things that we've been asked about for many years is a way to bench mount one of our tools for production applications. So we're proud to finally have a solution for that. It's called the third hand, and it works with all of our tools, and it's a quick way to just grab the bar and support it while you're working with the tool. Makes it easier to load hose and work when you're at a bench. Has a quick release system, so you can just release it and take the tool out, use it as a portable someplace, and back in. Also makes it handy if you do have the thing permanently bolted to a bench and need to go someplace else with the tool. So, and one of the things about this is you can, it's easy to just put another piece of plywood on there to create a bigger stable area underneath, or bolt it directly to the bench. So again, it's the third hand. And we're glad to finally have it out there in production. So contact us at barbtechtools.com or Karl at barbtechtools.com is the email contact information. So thanks for watching.